Alright, so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Dremel this dog's nails. Takes a little practice. You can get you a Dremel down at Harbor Freight for 10 bucks. Actually, I think that was 19. Get you a little muzzle. You got to have one of these. If you don't have one of those, this is pointless. Go on to the next video. Unless you like to look at them. Oh, so never mind. Don't go to the next video. Stay on that one. Alright, so my helper here is we're gonna show you how to Dremel your dog's toenails. So that's Nicky, and Nicky he's pretty sketchy as far as having people do stuff to him, so we're gonna show you how easy this actually is. And you need to have your safety glasses, and then we've got a Dremel from Harbor Freight, Home Depot. I've got mine set between 2 and 3. Alright, so we'll start it over here away from the dog. Good boy. Alright. Okay. Alright. Yes. Oh, he is such a cute boy. He is so cute. You are so sweet, Nicky. Thank you so much. He's so sweet. He's so sweet. He is so sweet. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. Gotta get that one too. You gotta get up for me to do that. Okay, now I'm gonna make you get up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. You also might want to have on hand a, that's a muzzle. You don't want to get bit while you're doing this. If I was not the owner of this dog, I would definitely have that on, because you never know what might happen. There's 2 nails left. We still have to do that one and that one. That one, oh, there's 3. Alright, let me thank my guest here. Let me thank my little guest. Say, oh my goodness, those nails are long. I don't know if I got a good shot of just how long they were. But now they're not. Could have gotten that one a little better. Thank you, Nicky.